Venice AI, 5-minute speech. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write, research, generate images, create videos, work with code, and even generate audio, all from one place. But here's the interesting part: Venice AI is built around a different idea: privacy and creative freedom. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're taking a look at Venice AI, a generative AI platform that brings multiple AI capabilities together while putting a strong focus on private and anonymous AI usage. So, what exactly is Venice AI? Venice describes itself as a generative AI app where you can chat with AI, search for information, analyze documents, create images, generate video and audio, write code, and more. It brings different AI models and capabilities into a single interface. What makes Venice different? The first major feature is privacy. Venice says that your conversation history is stored locally on your device and that prompts and responses aren't stored on Venice's servers. It also provides different privacy modes, including anonymous, private, trusted execution environment, and end-to-end encryption, depending on the model and feature you're using. That's important because when you're using AI, you may sometimes work with personal ideas, business information, documents, or other sensitive content. Venice's approach is to give users more control over how their AI interactions are handled. In March 2026, Venice also introduced verifiable encrypted AI inference using TEE and E2EE models, adding stronger hardware-based and end-to-end privacy options. AI chat and research. Now let's talk about the everyday AI features. You can use Venice for brainstorming, writing, research, questions, coding, and document analysis. You simply enter a prompt, select an appropriate model, and generate your response. Venice also supports web search and file uploads, making it useful when you want an AI research assistant rather than just a basic chatbot. And because Venice offers access to multiple models, you can choose different models depending on the task. For example, one model might be better for reasoning, another for coding, and another for creative writing. Image generation. One of the most exciting features is AI image generation. You can describe what you want in natural language and generate an image from your prompt. Venice provides multiple image models and styles, and its image generation tools support different creative workflows, including generating, editing, upscaling, and removing backgrounds. So imagine you're creating a YouTube thumbnail. Instead of searching for stock images or spending hours designing everything manually, you can describe your idea and use AI to create a visual starting point. You can then regenerate or refine the result until you get something closer to what you want. Video and audio. But Venice doesn't stop with text and images. The platform also provides access to video and audio generation. Venice currently brings together models from different providers for video creation, while its audio capabilities include text-to-speech, music generation, and sound effects. This makes Venice interesting for content creators. You could use AI for your script, generate images, create video content, and experiment with audio, all within the same broader AI platform. Agentic AI. Another interesting development is Venice's agentic chat experience. According to Venice's May 2026 changelog, agentic chat became the default chat experience, allowing tool use, media generation, and multi-step workflows directly inside a conversation. That means you can ask Venice to search, reason, generate or edit images, create videos, and continue refining the result without constantly jumping between different chats. This is where AI is becoming more than just a question and answer tool. Instead of saying, "Give me an answer," you can give the AI a larger task and let it work through multiple steps. Who should use Venice AI? So, who can benefit from Venice? Students can use it for brainstorming, research, writing, and understanding complex topics. Content creators can use it for scripts, images, video ideas, and audio. Developers can use AI models for coding and experimentation. Marketers can explore creative concepts and generate advertising visuals. And businesses can use AI tools while paying closer attention to privacy requirements. Of course, you should still understand the privacy mode and model you're using, especially when dealing with confidential information. Venice itself explains that different models have different privacy guarantees, so users should check the privacy badge and choose accordingly. Final thoughts. So, is Venice AI worth trying? If you're looking for a single platform that combines AI chat, research, image generation, video, audio, coding, and multiple AI models, Venice is certainly an interesting option. But its biggest selling point isn't simply the number of features. It's the philosophy behind the platform, giving users more privacy, more model choice, and more creative freedom. AI is moving incredibly fast, and instead of using a different tool for every task, platforms like Venice are trying to bring the entire creative workflow into one place. So if you want to explore a different approach to AI, one focused on private, flexible, and creative AI, Venice is definitely a platform worth checking out. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, tutorials, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.